Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We from one group will present about frequently of the provision of the local public good to private and collective rights. The Journal from National Academy of Science of United States of America. The member of group is me, Dwi Silstarini, NIM 1035, and my friend Ismail Muhakim, NIM 1037. The research background. Smallholder agriculture system strongly depend on the water resource of the investment in shared infrastructure make significant contribution to food security in development countries. These communities are being increasingly integrated into the global economy and are exposed to new global climate risks that might affect their willingness to cooperate in the community level collective action problem. For this reason, this journal will discuss about research experiment on the public good at personal and collective risk in 118 small-scale research production communities in 4 countries. The journal examines that the effect of the provision local public on collective risk. Problem in general. How to influence of the global community risk to 118 small-scale research producing community in 4 countries and explore the role of the risk in the public versus private return in a public good setting along with how expectation played critical role in shaping up the decision to cooperate. Research question. This journal designed tests of the role to specific risks faced by community members. Want to expose the personal risk earning associated with, for example, vehicle labor outside the community, and to expose to risk in the return from shared infrastructure owing to fluctuation in revenue and costs related to volatility in price for input and output, variation in output level due to the flood, drought, and fat outbreak or research purpose. The purpose of the journal is to know how influence the global climate risk to 118 small-scale research producing community in 4 countries. The country is China, Colombia, Nepal, and Thailand. The research want to explore the role of risk in the public versus private return in the public good setting along with how expectation play the critical role in shaping the decision to cooperate. Should a decision problem capture the dilemma faced by many smallholder agriculture community.
In the method section, we will discuss data and analysis tools. Data. The data from this study are primary data obtained directly by research. The research visited 1,018 rural communities shown as dots in Figure 1 in different regions of Colombia, China, Nepal, and Thailand, and conducted our experiment under different conditions of risk, with a total of 2,147 participants. The study involved a framed public good experiment with up approximately 20 participants in the same session. The participants knew if they were interacting at the moment of the experiment. Location of the research. Location of the regions and communities where we conducted the field experiment and survey data collection in clockwise order starting in the upper left corner. First, China, second, Thailand, third, Nepal, and the last, Colombia. For your information, the dot is study communities, and the red line is provinces boundaries. Data. This research used game to collecting data. There are 3 rounds from this game. In first round, each player had to choose between keeping an endowment with a private return of $8 or investing it in a group fund had provided a public good that transferred $1 to each player for each token invested by the group. After a first baseline round in which player faced this incentive without any communication and with complete certainty about the return. In second round is called private risk round. Participants were faced with the choice of receiving double or nothing return, $16 or $0, with a 50-50 probability if the token was kept or investing in the same public good. In second round is called private risk round. Participants were faced with the choice of receiving double or nothing return, $16 or $0, with a 50-50 probability if the token was kept or investing in the same public goods at a sure $1 return per token in the public account. In third round is called collective risk round. Participants had to decide between a sure return of $8 if the token was kept or a double or nothing $2 or $0 payment for each token invested in the public goods by the group. As shown in Chart A, relationship between investment in the public good, round 1 of the experiment, and the percentage of crops produced for the market. A higher percentage of crops grown for the external market was correlated with lower investment rates in round 1. As shown in Chart B, relationship between investment in the public good, round 1, and the percentage of food consumed produced in their own community show that consuming a higher percentage of food produced in the community was positively correlated with investment levels in the public good in round 1. Chart C, change in investment owing to risks for different percentage of members earning wages outside the community. The Chart C, we explored how variation in economic context might explain difference in decision in rounds with and without risks. Communities with a higher percentage of members who work outside the community reduce their investment in the public good more frequently in response to rich return from the public good. And the last, chart D, average fraction of investment in each of the 118 communities as a function of the expressed level of expected contribution by others in the baseline round. This fraction is highly correlated with the participant prediction regarding the investment of other participants, indicating that he or she is behaving as condition cooperator. The section methods of analysis tools. The analysis tool of the research use ordinary least squares or OLS. Conclusion: experiment in 118 small-scale rice production community reveal differences across communities that correlate with their level of involvement with the broader economy. The more the agricultural production system is integrated with the global food chain, the less participants invest in the public good, the more people from the community have source of income from outside the community, the less they invest in the public good. When return of the public good are risky, this effect is not seen when the return from the public good is fixed per person invest in the public good. Greater market integration may reduce investment in their own communities, and as such may reduce the productivity of their group assets, agricultural production. The result indicate that increasing the integration of those communities with the broader economic system is associated with lower investment in public goods when facing collective risks. Recommendation: the researcher of this journal expect that collective risk treatment leads to a lower level of cooperation compared to private risk management. Due to the difference in risk experience for the two options in handling personal risks and collective risks. In the private risk treatment, there is risk with the return for not investing in the public good, and a risk when the participants invest in the public good. In the collective risk treatment, however, there is a no risk option in which the participants does not invest in the public good, but to combine risk to determine the level of return for the option to invest in the public good. 50% probability of two levels of return from public good and uncertainty of investment by others. And we suggest that the vulnerability of food production of those small-scale agricultural system will increase as a result of the change in how collective action problems are perceived and addressed. Critique: we have to critique first positive. The content of the journal was great. So many information in this journal talk about private risks and collective risks. And the second, negative. The way to explain the result of the research is confusing because the shape is a bar table, not a number. So, in reading the significant level between the influence of personal risks and collective risks on the provision of local public goods, it is less understandable. Thank you for your attention. Any question?